If you want to give your video that dramatic cinematic look, one of the easiest ways to do it is by adding black bars in CapCut. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add cinematic black bars in CapCut in just a few simple steps, and I'll also show you a smart trick for applying the effect to your entire video at once. This is perfect for edits, trailers, reels, short films, vlogs, and any content where you want a more polished movie-style finish. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut and import your video if you haven't done that already. Once your clip is on the main timeline, click on it so it becomes selected. This is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to edit. After that, look at the top right corner of the screen and move over to the video panel. This is where CapCut keeps most of the visual editing tools for your selected clip. Inside the video panel, find and click on the Mask tab. The Mask feature is what we're going to use to create the black bar effect. Once you're inside the mask options, look for the film strip option. In some versions, you may also see mirror, and either one can help you create a similar cinematic framing effect depending on the look you want. Select the option that gives you the black bars across the top and bottom of your video. Now comes the part where you customize the look. On the player screen, you'll see white sizing handles. Click and drag those handles up or down to adjust the thickness of the black bars. If you drag them further inward, the bars get thicker and the image becomes more cinematic. If you drag them outward, the bars become thinner and less noticeable. Take a moment to preview the result and adjust it until it matches the style you're going for. A smaller adjustment can create a subtle, professional look, while stronger black bars can make the video feel more like a film trailer or dramatic scene. Now here's a really useful tip if you want this effect on your whole video instead of just one clip. Right-click on an empty space in the timeline and add an adjustment layer. Then apply the same mask effect to that adjustment layer instead of each individual clip. This saves a lot of time because the cinematic black bars will stay consistent across your entire edit. It's especially helpful if your project has multiple clips and you want them all to share the same widescreen movie look. After you've applied the effect, play back your video to make sure the black bars look clean and balanced. If needed, go back and fine-tune the mask so your subject is still framed properly. Once you're happy with it, you're done. That's how to add cinematic black bars in CapCut and instantly make your edits look more professional. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and I'll see you in the next video.